Hi everyone, it's Valentina from Bluosa. Today we're covering tree pose Vrksasana. So the most important thing is to start grounding through your feet. And the traditional pose is off of the wall. You'll bring one knee to your chest, take the right hand to your hip and externally rotate your left thigh bone at the hip socket. Take the foot into the inner thigh, push the foot into the inner thigh to keep and lengthening your inner thigh towards the knee and then out. And then you can bring your hands to your heart center or your arms reaching up and overhead. Okay? To come out, hands to hips, the knee comes forward and you come back into your Tadasana pose. Now, if there's a few variations if your balance feels a little challenged. So one variation is you'll come to the wall and you'll place the tree pose knee against the wall. Okay, this is going to help you feel the actions at the thigh level, and you'll also be able to experience the posture with more stability. Another way to do it is to have your back facing the wall so that you feel completely supported. Once again, you'll work on the pose. Be mindful that you want to avoid the knee when you're doing the posture so that you don't injure your joint. Okay? The other way to do it is actually facing behind the wall, and you'll cup your palms to the wall and you'll help yourself here lift your chest and just keep pushing and lifting, and the wall will give you lots of stability to experience the pose. Thank you.